To make a simple line with an arrowhead in AutoCAD, you can use polyline command, which is this one. Simply come up here and click it. Click once in the drawing area, select width and type 0, and then press enter. For the second one, type how large you want your arrow. I will try to type 70 and then I'll press enter. I will bring it close like here, and then I will click. And I will select the width again and take it back to 0, the default. Type 0, press enter, and then press enter again. Now point to a direction and simply click. Press enter to end that command. To do a double arrowhead, select the polyline again. Click once in the drawing area. Same thing, select width. Start with 0. For the second one, this time I will try 100. Press enter. Bring it close. Select width again. Take it back to 0. Type 0. Press enter again. Take it however long you want and simply click. And now select width again. Start from 100. Press enter. For the second one, type 0 and then press enter. Then point to a direction or input your value and just click or press enter. To end the command, simply press enter on your keyboard. Or if you want a curved one, you can select the polyline. Same thing, I will click here. I will start with the width and type 0 for the first one, 200 for the second one. I will click here. I will take it back to 0. Press enter again. I will click on arc. I can turn off my auto mode for this one. Then I will click here and then I will press enter. Or if you want the line to be at an angle, you can select the polyline, click once, select the width, start with 0. You can simply press enter. For the second one, 300 if you want. Press enter, click and take it and take the width back to 0 because this one is too big. So select width, type 0, press enter and then press enter again, and then take it to whatever angle you want by turning on this polar tracking. Now it is at 120 degrees and simply just click and then press enter.